The bank means a lot to me personally. It's where I've spent the last 10 years of my life in a very comprehensive way. It's not just been a 9-to-5 job for me, it's been all-encompassing. I was a founding member of the management team that set up the bank when we started from a basement office in London. And from those humble beginnings, I've seen the bank grow to an organisation that now serves over 55,000 customers and has 120 staff.
It's good being part of something that doesn't have the legacy of the big banks, that isn't tainted by the history of the big banks, and that is young and fresh, and we can make it whatever we want it to be.
I think for me, the bank's a really important part of my life, and apart from being a job, of course. This bank's an organisation where you can really feel as if you're making a difference to the lives of your customers. So I think it's very satisfying from a personal point of view that you can go to work hard, and you're doing something you genuinely think is good for society as well as good for the customers that are benefiting from your company.
The bank's an amazing place to work. The people are absolutely great, and you get a lot of satisfaction in helping people, not just financially, but on a spiritual and a religious point of view, which is really important.
In my role, I really enjoy the variety of every day is different, but I really like working with all the people. There's a real collaborative attitude in the bank. Everybody wants to work with each other, and we're all working towards the same goal.
Colleagues are really friendly, everyone's extremely helpful, we all have the same goals, the same values. We're all striving to actually make sure that our customers are at the heart of our business as well.
I think some people are attracted by the ethical nature of the bank because it's a young and fresh and dynamic and growing environment, and some people are attracted because it aligns closely with their faith, and that's obviously very important to them. But it is a multicultural bank, it's very diverse. Quite a few people joined us from the other big banks, and quite a few people only want to work here because it's a Sharia compliant bank.
I joined the bank 5 years ago. And I have a strong personal faith and values, and I think the Sharia principles that underpins the bank and how it deals with and treats its customers was very important to me.
From a personal point of view, from a religious aspect, to be able to be part of an organisation which provides a halal Sharia compliant alternative to the conventional banks is very important to me.
We're very clear about we want to offer a viable alternative to the conventional banks in the UK. To do that, we need to recruit the best talent.
I'm really proud of all the people that we employ. I think we've recruited some excellent, talented people, and I really enjoy working with them towards a vision that is ethical, that will make things better for everyone within financial services. I feel very dedicated and committed to the idea that we're a responsible financial services provider.
On a day-to-day basis, it gives me the opportunity to help people from my community to buy a house which will be their homes, and to do it in line with their faith.
It means everything to me. In the income that it's providing to me and to my family, it's halal. And secondly, just when I'm coming into work every morning, just seeing friendly faces and just the goal that we've got as well.
It's a friendly atmosphere, like a family atmosphere to work in, so you actually look forward to going into work.
Many of our employees joined from bigger banks, and working here, I think they find it much more innovative and friendly, and because it's smaller we can get things done and make a difference. They're motivated by being part of the vision and contributing, but they're also motivated, like everybody, by financial incentives. We have a sales incentive scheme, we have recognition awards, so if anybody's done anything good in terms of customer service with either external customers or internal customers, that's recognised and rewarded too. I think it's an excellent place to develop your career. I think the rewards package is competitive, and people can join us with all different levels of capabilities, but they'll find the opportunity within the bank to develop. Our Managing Director gets involved on a regular basis. He has an informal lunch with a group of staff randomly selected across the company so that he can share his views and they can raise issues with him directly in a confidential way.
I'm really proud of being an employee at this organisation, because the people who came here at the beginning and who still work here today are not just driven by their daily salary, if you like, their monthly salary. There's a passion for serving the community, the Muslim community in this case, that really energises and motivates our staff.
the heart of every business is having the right people. So whilst we have talented and experienced individuals across the bank, I think collectively they're all committed to the same goal, which is we realise we've come a long way, but we're on a journey, and we're on our way to make this bank even more successful and a sustainable UK alternative.